Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y72 5G and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and you can do it using two different ways. It depends what kind of navigation bar you've got set. So if you've got navigation bar with the buttons just like me, then all you have to do is to simply tap on this three bars icon in the right corner. But if you've got the gestures, then simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, in my case only two of them. So if you'd like to turn off only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got plenty of apps opened and if you'd like to turn them off completely, just tap on clear all. Then you will come back to the home page. So let's enter the recents, and as you can see we've got no recent items, so which means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your VIVO Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.